Top 6 most dangerous animals in the world. 6. Australian saltwater crocodile. Similar to their counterparts, Australian saltwater crocodiles are formidable apex predators. They inhabit estuaries, rivers, and coastal regions, and their size, strength, and territorial nature make them a significant threat to humans who come into contact with them. 5. Poison dart frog. Despite their small size and vibrant appearance, certain species of poison dart frogs are highly toxic. Their bright colors serve as a warning to potential predators. The toxins they produce can cause paralysis, heart failure, and, in some cases, death. 4. Cape buffalo. Often regarded as one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, the Cape buffalo is responsible for causing more human deaths than any other large animal on the continent. They are known for their unpredictable nature and aggressive behavior when they feel threatened. 3. African elephant. While known for their majestic presence, African elephants can be dangerous due to their size, strength, and protective instincts. When provoked or perceiving a threat, they can charge, trample, or use their tusks to defend themselves, leading to severe injuries or even fatalities. 2. Saltwater crocodile. Considered the largest living reptile, the saltwater crocodile is an apex predator with a powerful bite force. Their aggressiveness and ability to launch surprise attacks make them a formidable threat to humans who venture into their habitats. 1. Box jellyfish. Known as one of the most venomous creatures on Earth, the box jellyfish possesses tentacles armed with venomous cells called nematocysts. Their sting can cause excruciating pain, tissue damage, and, in severe cases, can be fatal.